Today we are going to study a new lesson, triangles. Lesson number 7. So you have studied about triangles and their various properties in your earlier classes. You know that a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle. That means a polygon bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. For example, in triangle ABC, the sides are AB, BC and AC. Its angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. Okay, which are its vertices? Its vertices are A, B and C. Okay, now let's go through the congruent figures. What are congruent figures? You have already learned about congruent triangles in your earlier classes. What are congruent figures? Congruent figures are the figures having same size and same shape. Okay, see this figure. It's a square of side 2 centimeter. See another square with side 2 centimeter. Okay, so can you say they are congruent? Yes, they are called congruent figures, congruent squares or congruent quadrilaterals, because in a square all angles are also equal. Okay, so among polygons like quadrilateral etc., if their angles are equal and also sides equal, then the figures are said to be congruent. So to be congruent, their sides and angles should be equal. Corresponding sides as corresponding angles should be equal. Okay, then can you say all the squares are congruent? We cannot say all squares are congruent. To be congruent, to be squares to be congruent, their sides must be equal. We know that in square all angles are right angles. Okay, now consider a circle with 2 centimeter radius. Now consider another circle with 1 centimeter radius. Are these circles congruent? Are these circles congruent to each other? No, they are not congruent because the sizes are different, but their shapes are same. They look same in shape but different in size, and therefore they are not congruent. So to be congruent, their size also should be same. So consider another circle with radius 2 centimeter. Then can you say those are congruent figures? Yes, these two circles are congruent to each other. Okay, because they have same radii. Okay, next come to triangles. We know that there are three different types of triangle according to their size: scale triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Okay, in scale triangles all sides are different in lengths. Isosceles triangle only two sides are equal. Two sides are equal in length. In equilateral all the sides are equal. All the three sides are equal. Also all angles are equal. In isosceles two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. The angles opposite to that equal sides. Now what are congruent triangles? Suppose two triangles with equal sides and equal angles are called congruent triangles. Consider this triangle. So triangle 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 2, 3, 4. These two triangles have equal sides. Okay, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Then you can call these two triangles congruent triangle. Congruent triangle. These triangles are called congruent triangles. To represent congruent, we use this symbol. Okay, this is used for representing congruency. This symbol represents for same shape and this equal represent for size. So a triangle having equal shape and equal size are called congruent triangles. Or to be congruent, side should be equal. All sides should be equal. Then when the sides are equal, then we can say that their corresponding angles are also equal. So if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are equal and also their angles are equal. Next, isosceles triangle. See this isosceles triangle. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. The sides are equal. Okay, then they are congruent. Equal sides are there, then these triangles are said to be congruent because they have equal sides. Next, we will come to equilateral triangle. 1, 1, 1. Another equilateral triangle with one side, 1 centimeter each side. Are these triangles congruent? Yes, they are congruent because they have also equal sides. Also, in equilateral triangle, all angles are equal to 60 degree. Okay. All angles are equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then, among all these triangles, to be congruent, their sides must be equal. So when the sides are equal, their angles are also equal. And next, to be congruent, there are some correspondences between two triangles. For example, consider triangle ABC. Suppose triangle ABC, triangle P, there are two triangles. Okay. Suppose they are congruent. In how many ways they can be congruent? Each way is called the correspondence between the triangle. This is the symbol for using correspondence. Okay. So this is the first way. ABC matching with PQR. Second, again ABC. Now change this PQR. If you change PQR, that becomes PRQ. Okay. Again, third type, ABC. Q, P, R. Next, fourth type, again ABC. Triangle Q, R, P. Next, again, triangle ABC. R, P, triangle RP2. Triangle ABC again. RQ, P. Okay. Beginning with P 2 times, beginning with Q 2 times, beginning with R 2 times. So overall there are 6 types correspondences between two triangles. One should be in constant position. Okay, without change. You can change either ABC or PQR. Never change both together. Okay. So how many correspondences are there between two triangles? Maximum number of correspondences between two triangles is 6. These are the 6 correspondences. Only equilateral triangles will have all the 6 correspondences because in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So they can coincide in anywhere. Okay, you can put this PQR on ABC, PQR on and PRQ on ABC, QPR on ABC, QRP on ABC. In all the 6 ways they are matching. But in isosceles triangle, only 2 ways they are matching. Because in isosceles, this is isosceles triangle. See this isosceles triangle. So these 2 sides equal, these 2 sides also equal. So this side matches with this side. Also this. Here, see these 2, this is isosceles, these are equal, these are also equal. So this side matches with this one, this also matches with this one, and this one. Okay, these 2 sides coincide each other. So there are 2 different ways to get the congruence between these 2 triangles because 2 sides are equal. What about in scale and triangle? Among scale and triangles, only one correspondences. The maximum correspondences is only 1 between 2 triangles. So when 2 scale and triangles are congruent, one of these will be matched. Okay, not more than 1. In isosceles, 2 can be there. Among equilateral, maximum 6. Maximum 6 is there. That is for equilateral triangle. Now what are congruent triangles? Two triangles are congruent if their sides are equal and angles are equal. Now see these figures. ABC 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Another triangle PQR 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. Can you say these triangles are congruent? Are these two triangles congruent or not? They are not congruent because their sides are not matching. Now, all the sides are not matching. Some sides are matching. Here AB is 4. Here QR is 4. So they are matching, equal. And BC is 3. And this RP is also 3. They are also matching. What about this side? This and this one. This AC and PQ. They are not matching because their lengths are different. So these triangles are not congruent to each other. Okay, let's go through criteria for congruence of triangles. Criteria for congruence of triangles. So criteria for congruence of triangles, you have already studied in your area classes. There are different criteria for congruence triangles. There are 5 criteria. They are, first, number 1, SAS congruency. Second, ASA congruency. Third, AAS congruency. Next, SSS congruency. And the last one is RHS congruency. So let us go through that congruencies. Criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay, criteria for congruence of triangles. There are 5 criteria between two triangles. The first one, I think you have already studied about these congruencies. The first one is SAS congruence rule. SAS congruence rule. SAS congruence rule. SAS. S represents side. A represents angle. Again S represents side. Here 2 sides and 1 angle. See here, this angle lies between these 2 sides, and therefore this angle is called included angle. Here this angle is included. So you can say that 2 sides and included angle. So what is the criteria? That is what is SAS congruence rule? This is the SAS congruence rule. 2 triangles are congruent if 2 sides and the included angle. 2 sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the sides and the included angle of the other triangle. That is SAS congruence rule. Let us consider these 2 figures. ABC, PQR. In ABC, triangle ABC and PQR, let's AB and PQ, sides having same marking, representing equal. Okay, AB and PQ are equal, and AC, P are equal. Also, these angles are equal. Suppose 50 degree each. Okay. So which congruence rule suitable here for these 2 triangles, or are these triangles congruent? Let us check whether they are congruent or not. See this here, AB and PQ, they are equal. AB equal to PQ. Okay. The second one, so first S completed, then A, which is an included angle here. This is included angle. Angle A equal to angle P, 50 degree each. So they are also equal. The third one, AC equal to PR. That is also given. This is given part, given. This is also given. Then from these statements given, we can say that these two triangles are congruent because two sides and included angle are equal to the corresponding two side and the included angle of the other triangle. Then the triangles are congruent. Then we can say that triangle ABC congruent to, so symbol for congruence, congruent to ABC congruent to, here AB congruent to PQ. So ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Here angle R equal to angle P. Correct. Then also AB equal to PQ. Correct. Then AC PR equal here AC PR. Okay. Representing same positions. Okay. So this is the reason is by SAS congruency. By SAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So to be congruent using SAS congruency, we require two sides and the included angles in each figure. Now we have two triangles are congruent. Then when two triangles are congruent, then we can also say that all other corresponding parts are equal. Which are the corresponding parts? So which are the unknown parts? Here angle B. Angle B, which is angle equal to B? Is it equal to Q? Yes. Here B represented by Q. Okay. So angle, then we can say that, which implies, so after this step, then we can say that angle B equal to angle Q, then angle C equal to angle R. Also one more side is the BC equal to QR. So these are the unknown sides or unknown angles. So when two triangles are congruent, all the other parts are also equal. So here we got triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by SAS congruence rule. So what is SAS? Side, angle, side. That means side, included angle, side. How to state that SAS rule? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. That is SAS congruent rule. Okay. So when two triangles are congruent, all the other corresponding parts are equal, and those parts. So after writing this step, you can write a reason. That reason is called CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent. After getting congruent, then you can write all the other parts are equal. Then you can put this reason CPCT. CPCT represented by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So that SAS congruence rule completed. Next, second one. Second congruence rule is ASA congruence rule. What is ASA congruence rule? ASA congruence rule. So see this. ASA, two angles and one side is there. Two angles. And the side is included here. Okay. In ASA, the side is included. In SAS, A is included. Okay. Here side is included. There, angle is included. Okay. So how to state ASA rule? So ASA congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle, two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other, are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Okay. So that is statement of ASA congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Okay. So let's go through an example. Suppose P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Here, angle P 40 degree and angle Y 40 degree, angle Q 60 degree, angle X 60 degree, and this PQ and XY are equal. So here this represents ASA. A, S, A. Okay. So from the figure you can also identify the rule A, S, A, because the angles formed on the given side. Here also the angles formed on given side. Okay. Then from the figure we have angle P equal to angle Y. That is given. The step is given. Reason is given. So first A complete, next S, which is S represented by PQ. PQ equal to XY or YX. PQ, we start with the P here. Which angle represent P? 40 degree. Okay, here angle represented by P is 40 degree. So here the angle represented by 40 degree is Y. So it should be written as YX. Okay, so equal to PQ equal to YX. Next step, that is also given. Third angle is 60 degree angle Q, represented by the angle X. That is also given. Okay, angle P equal to angle Y, that represented by A. PQ equal to YX represented by S, and angle Q equal to X represented by A. So overall, this the congruency related here is ASA congruency, then triangle PQR congruent, triangle PQR congruent, PQR, P represented by Y, Q represented by X. So this is a correct choice. Okay, the correspondences between these two triangles PQR to YX Z. You should not change this into XYZ or in some other form. Okay, so this is the right way to write the congruence. Okay, the matching parts put in the right order. Here PQR and triangle YXZ are congruent by ASA congruency. Okay, then which are the other parts? Which are only 3 parts are given here. Now total 6 parts are there. The 2 triangles, 3 sides and 3 angles are there. So only 3 pairs are there given. Now 3 more pairs are there. Which are other 3 pairs? 2 angles already given. Here R, angle R is there. Angle R represented by angle Z. Then angle R equal to angle Z. Then which are sides? Other sides XZ. XZ here represented by, that is QR. Angle QR equal to XZ. So see here QR XZ. Okay. So one more side is there. That is PR. Here this is PR. PR. That is YZ. PR YZ. PR equal to YZ. Or this, the reason is CP CT. What is CP CT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That is CP CT. So second criterion over. Next, one more criterion, AAS congruence rule. AAS congruence rule. What is AAS? Third congruency, AAS. What is AAS? Angle side. Here the side is not included. Okay, so any side, it represents any side, 2 angles and any other side. How to state this congruency? 2 triangles are congruent. So starting again saying 2 triangles are congruent if or 2 angles and any side of one triangle are equal to 2 angles and the corresponding side of the other, then the triangles are congruent. So let's go through example. A, B, C, D, E, F. Here two angles and one side should be given. Two angles. Suppose these two angles given. This angle is 45 degree. It is 70 degree. Given here S should be either this one or this one. Okay. No, that is not included side. So it can be either AC or AB. Let it be AC. Okay. Double marking. And see here F. Let F equal to 45 degree and E equal to 70 degree. And one side here given, let it. Okay, this is corresponding side. So because here the side starting from 70 degree. So here it should be given from here 70 degree. So if it is given, it cannot be congruent. Now come to the figure. Which are the first AA? Which are the angles given? Angle B equal to here which angle? Angle F. 45 degree each or given. Second one. Again A. Angle C will be equal to angle C here. Angle C represented by angle E. 70 degree each. So AA over now S represented by this one. AC or CA. It will be CA. C starting from 70 degree. So here 70 degree starting E. D. Again given. So these are the angles and the sides given. B equal to F, C equal to E and CA equal to ED. Now the correspondence between two triangles and the congruent triangle, let it be triangle ABC congruent to. Triangle ABC congruent to. So which are the triangles congruent to? So here we start with A. Here A is not given. Here which is not given, D is not given. So start with D. Next A, B. B represented by 45 degree. Here which is represented by 45 degree. This is one F. D, F. Triangle D, F. Next one E. By A. Yes. Now the sides and angles are matching. Let's check those sides. Here angle B, angle F. B represented by F in the middle. C, E. C in the end. Here E also in the end. Okay. CA, ED. CA. What is CA? This is CA. From right to left. Okay. Lines from the right to left. Here ED. From the right to left. Okay. So they are matching. Then we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle DFE. So three parts are equal. Then three more parts are there. With the remaining parts. Remaining parts angle A equal to angle D. Then angle A equal to angle D. Then the other sides. Which are the other pairs of sides? BC. BC equal to FE. BC equal to FE. So one more pair is there. That is AB. Okay. AB is not given here. So AB will be equal to DF. AB will be equal to DF. Reason CP. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay. So let's stop here today's class. Then the next class, let's go with the exercise. Okay. So study all these criteria. Three criteria are already given. SAS, congruence rule, ASA, congruence rule, and AAS, congruence rule.